Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the Earth and Space Science Regents. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and the specific topics covered. Next, learn to navigate the Earth Science reference tables, as they contain crucial data for many questions. Prioritize understanding core concepts such as geological processes, atmospheric phenomena, and astronomical cycles. Consistent review of these areas will build a strong foundation for success. To study effectively, begin by making flashcards for essential vocabulary and definitions. Visual learners will benefit greatly from drawing diagrams to illustrate complex processes like the water cycle or rock cycle. Consider forming a study group with peers. Discussing challenging topics aloud can solidify your understanding and expose you to different perspectives. Active recall methods are far more effective than passive reading. Practice is paramount for the Regents exam. Work through as many past Regents questions as possible to become familiar with the question styles and expected answers. Crucially, review every incorrect answer to understand why it was wrong and what concepts you need to revisit. For optimal preparation, simulate exam conditions by taking full-length practice tests under timed constraints. This builds endurance and reduces test day anxiety. On the night before the exam, ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep. A well-rested mind performs better. On exam day, eat a nutritious breakfast to maintain focus and energy throughout the test. Remember to stay calm and read each question carefully before answering. Also, staying hydrated is key for concentration. Check the description for a link to a great water bottle and other helpful deals. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.